Hello everyone, welcome sa ating YouTube channel, and for today I will be head chopping or beheading yung aking mga ibang succulents na mahirap i-propagate. So since yung first na pagbehead natin dito sa ating Chiveria Beyonce Rainbow is successful, I decided na isunod na rin yung iba nating mga succulents na mahirap ngang i-propagate. So, as you can see here, 'di ba, after nating i-behead yung ating Beyonce Rainbow, nagkaroon na nga siya ng offset. So, I think we can already see 5 offsets as of now, but in time, mas dadami pa yung offsets na nakikita natin. So, the very first na ibibihead nga natin is itong ating Echeveria Bluebird. So, matagal na ito sa akin, pero never niya akong binigyan ng offset. So, nag-propagate rin ako ng napakadaming leaves before, pero wala talagang nabuhay. So, ngayon, instead of using itong pruning scissors na ito, which is very difficult nga pag very compact nga yung ating succulent, I will just be using itong ating yarn. So, you can make use of any yarn that is available sa inyo. Ganyan lang siya. So, not too thick and not too thin naman. So, all we need to do is, kumbaga, ipaikot natin siya doon sa stem ng ating succulent. Ayan. So, you can just follow what I'm doing sa ngayon. Then, after nyan, itatali lang na, it's not really itatali, parang we will pull it in different directions para maputol yung ating stem. So, ganito siya. So, mabilis ang pull lang sa mga string na ito. Then, ayan, tapos na actually, na hati na natin siya and look at the result, diba? So, napakaganda nung ating parang pag-cut sa kanya. It's a very clean cut. Ayan o. So, from one bluebird, ayan, instantly may dalawang bluebirds na tayo. So, itong mga leaves na ito, tatanggalin natin sila. So, una, we have to use itong mga leaves na to for propagation, and also another reason kung bakit natin siya tinatanggal is para doon sa area kung saan tayo nagtanggal ng leaves, doon tutubo yung new roots or new offsets ng ating succulents. So, that's very important. Kailangan natin siyang tanggalan ng leaves. So, ayan. So, I think that is enough. Hindi ko naman natatanggalin lahat ng mga natitirang leaves since I really don't know if bibigyan ba talaga tayo ng offset nitong succulent na ito. And for this one, then tatanggalin rin natin yung nasa lower leaves niya or yung mga bottommost leaves niya kasi dyan tutubo yung kanyang roots. So, dapat nating tanggalin yung kanyang mga bottom leaves. After removing the leaves, then, ayan, we are actually done. Pwede na nating itanim itong ating bluebird sa kanyang new pot. So, same process lang yung gagawin natin for all of our other succulents. Finally, I was able to propagate yung aking mga succulents na mahirap i-propagate, and at the same time I don't want to touch or behead them because I'm afraid na baka mamatay sila. But I'm really hoping na in the next coming weeks, new offsets would be given to us by these succulents. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You may also visit our Facebook page at Desert Succulent PH.